Step into the enchanting world of modern, shabby chic living rooms. Today, we're unveiling a fresh perspective on this beloved style, blending vintage charm with contemporary flair in a way you've never seen before. Welcome to Visionary Designs. If you're passionate about merging timeless elegance with modern comfort, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to stay updated with our latest design inspirations. Let's dive into today's journey through modern shabby chic living. Stick around until the end to uncover an innovative twist on shabby chic that seamlessly integrates modern technology with vintage allure. This reveal will change the way you think about shabby chic in the contemporary world. You won't want to miss it. Let's begin with innovative shabby chic concepts. Imagine stepping into a living room where weathered elegance meets contemporary sophistication. Today's shabby chic designs are not just about nostalgia, they're about versatility and modern comfort. Think of materials and finishes that give you that lived-in look while being durable and practical. From subtle vintage accents to bold statement pieces, these innovative concepts adapt to any lifestyle, offering the perfect blend of cozy and chic, whether in a compact urban space or a sprawling home. Next, let's explore unique shabby chic decor elements that infuse character and charm into your living room. Picture eye-catching pieces that tell a story and evoke nostalgia. Repurposed vintage items as focal points, soft textiles for a touch of romance, and weathered decor that adds personality to every wall. These elements, when paired with modern accents, create a fresh and updated look. A carefully curated collection of shabby chic decor seamlessly blends past and present, transforming your living room into a haven of comfort and style. Now, let's delve into function meets shabby chic style, where practicality harmonizes with vintage aesthetics. Modern shabby chic design is evolving, maximizing space and enhancing convenience without losing its beloved worn-in look. Imagine smart storage solutions and multifunctional pieces that hide modern necessities while maintaining a vintage feel. Even smart home features can integrate discreetly into your shabby chic decor, preserving the ambiance while providing modern conveniences. These thoughtful details make your living room both beautiful and practical, a space where every piece serves a purpose and contributes to the overall aesthetic. And now, prepare to be amazed as we reveal a groundbreaking approach to modern shabby chic living. This innovative concept redefines the style for today's world, seamlessly blending the charm of yesteryear with cutting-edge design. Imagine movable walls, smart technology hidden within vintage-inspired furnishings, and adaptable layouts that allow you to personalize every inch of your space. This revolution in shabby chic opens up endless possibilities for creating a home that's both nostalgic and forward-thinking, where tradition meets innovation in perfect harmony. Today, we've explored a range of exciting shabby chic concepts, from innovative designs and unique decor elements to practical solutions that blend function with vintage style. Imagine your living room as a perfect fusion of past and present, where every detail evokes nostalgia while embracing modern comfort. How would these shabby chic innovations enhance your daily life? Are you ready to transform your living room into a sanctuary of timeless elegance and contemporary convenience? The possibilities are endless, and the choice is yours. Thank you for joining us on this shabby chic journey. If you enjoyed these insights and ideas, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiring content. Share your thoughts in the comments. What aspect of modern shabby chic are you most excited to try? Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep designing and creating spaces that tell your unique story. See you in the next video.